Have you ever searched Google and noticed a quick answer pop up at the top? That's Google's AI overviews, and they're changing how customers find businesses like yours. But here's the kicker. A big 2025 court case revealed they don't care about links. So what does make your business shine in those top spots? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to skyrocket your visibility and turn clicks into customers. Let's meet Emma, a florist in Portland. She used to stress about getting tons of websites to link to her shop. But when AI overviews hit, her site slipped from Google's top results. Why? The antitrust case spilled the tea. AI overviews use something called fast search, not links. It's like a librarian picking the best book because it answers your question perfectly, not because it's popular. So what gets you into AI overviews? It's simple. First, your content needs to be relevant. Answer what people are asking, like best flower delivery in Portland. Emma wrote a blog post about her top bouquets with a story about a bride's perfect wedding flowers. Boom! Her post hit AI overviews and orders jumped 20%. Next, quality is huge. Google looks for something called EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Sounds fancy, but it's just about showing you know your stuff. Emma shared her 15 years arranging flowers, added a stat from a 2024 Floral Association report, 90% of customers prefer local florists, and got real reviews. That trustworthiness? It's gold. Here's another secret. Keep it fresh. Google loves updated content. A study from SEO Clarity found that refreshed pages show up 15% more in AI overviews. A plumber named Noah updated his How to Fix a Leaky Faucet guide with new tips. Result? A 25% spike in calls after landing in those summaries. Your site also needs to be easy to use. Fast, mobile-friendly, with short paragraphs. A yoga instructor, Mia, made her site simple with clear headings. Her Beginner Yoga Tips post got 150 new class signups after hitting AI overviews. And don't forget engagement. Stories, like Ava's tale of a rescued kitten thriving on her pet store's food, keep people watching and sharing. As Google's CEO Sundar Pichai said, the future of search is about answering questions, not just linking pages. That's why storytelling and clear answers are your ticket to the top. Here's how you can start today. Write clear answers to customer questions like, what's the best coffee in town? Add a story that makes people feel something. Make your site fast and easy to read. And if you want help, our team at Digital Marketing all can make it happen. From crafting your brand voice to dominating Google, we've got you covered. Businesses in AI overviews see up to 30% more traffic per WordStream's 2025 data. Don't miss out. Imagine your business being the first answer customers see. Click the link below to book a strategy call and become our next success story. Let's make your brand unstoppable.
Thanks for watching. Want to skyrocket your business? Click to book a call and let's get you ranking today.